Thank you very much. Thank you. You have all seen debates and interviews where you wonder, is this really true? Or why? He didn't answer the question. And this is very frustrating because you don't know if you learn anything truthful, and the debaters often found no common ground. They just have a rhetorical workout. And this is really the opposite of what we need to do to take society to a more informed place where debates can lead to better conclusions and better decisions. So our idea is to use AI to support moderators and journalists to become more aware of rhetorical tricks, negative tricks, and factual errors. So we think this can be, if we can improve dialogue like this with about 20%, it could really become a game changer, and not just for WWF, but for the world. So I'm very interested to see what you can do.
Thank you, Örjan. My name is Matthias, and I will let the team present themselves. Please come up here to the microphone.
Sure. So I'm Slava, AI and backend developer at Hasabloy.
Hello, guys. Marcus, software engineer at Saab and specializing in AI.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jayant. I'm a research engineer at a high-performance computing cluster at Uppsala University.
And I'm a consultant working at Telia at the moment. I'm just going to get started. We have created an app that takes an input, like an audio stream or a video, and in real time tries to find these problems that Örjan spoke about. So we can start with...
We have to stop the bleeding. We have a historic immigration crisis because Kamala Harris started and said that she wanted to undo all of Donald Trump's border policies. 94 executive orders, suspending deportations, decriminalizing illegal aliens, massively increasing the asylum fraud that exists in our system.
Down a little bit, frankly. We don't have to listen to it more than necessary. So typically you listen to this guy and you feel maybe sometimes that something wasn't correct, or maybe like the wording was a bit strange, or maybe you recognize that the type of argument isn't quite what it should be, but then it just flies past you. And typically there is some sort of fact-checking maybe afterwards, but by then everybody will have moved on, right? And this is the same problem which you can have when listening to podcasts, for example. Somebody just blah, 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 and nobody stops them. Nobody said, wait a minute, why did you say this? What do you mean? Please provide evidence that directly links Kamala Harris to the increase of fentanyl into communities, right? So if I am a moderator on TV, or maybe I am at Joe Rogan podcast, you know, the guy next to him that doesn't, you don't typically see, Jamie, right? Jamie can say, we have to stop the bleeding. Wait, please clarify how Kamala Harris policies specifically caused the historic immigration crisis, right? So this application listens to the input in real time. It analyzes the speech, and it also tries to provide fact-checking besides the rhetorical analysis. We have actually not 20 to 25 million illegal immigrants, we had 11. So this is a TV, but also actually podcasting, and why not a plugin for your browser as you are watching stuff like this on YouTube, right? It can highlight problems in websites. It can accept text because, you know, any input can actually work. And we believe that by having a tool like this that calls out these things as they happen, actually can bring the society towards a more truthful and more reasonable debate. I'm going to turn this off. So we call this product Truth Seeker. Thank you.